Today I'm going to compare these two earphones JBL C200SI and JBL T160. Welcome to my channel, this is Ashutosh Nirmal, and if you are here first time, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll notified when new videos uploaded. Let's start. I already did unboxing review of both the earphones. If you want to watch it, link will be in the cards and description. First, we're going to compare the build quality of both the earphones. Design wise, both earphones are almost similar in design with plastic build. Both have angled ear tips, same type of mic and button. Only difference in design is little bit changes in ear tip back shape, which I think looks better on T160. Here's 3.5mm jack, which is straight on C200SI and angled on T160. The main difference here is in cable quality, whereas C200SI have simple thin rubbery wire. T160 have better quality flat cables, which makes it less tangle free. Both earphones comes in variety of colors. Both earphones fits in your ears perfectly and they are light and comfortable. If you have any problems with fitting, both comes with 2 extra ear tips, so you can choose according to your comfort. You can use this for hours without any problems. As both earphones fits in your ear perfectly, they provide very good noise cancellation. Here I'm recording with JBL C200SI. Here I'm recording with JBL T160. Recording from both the earphones are unedited. As you can hear, mic quality is almost similar on both the earphones. They both provide clear and noiseless sound. Now comes to the main part, that is sound quality. As both the earphones comes with 9mm drivers, sound of both the earphones almost identical. As with all the JBL earphones, mids and high are very clear. There's only little bit difference in the bass, whereas JBL T160 provide well-balanced bass without overshadowing vocals. JBL C200SI also provide well-balanced bass, but sometimes it will feel boosted. Otherwise, they both provide almost similar sound. So, which one should you buy? As both the earphones provide very good sound with well-balanced bass, but T160 sounds little bit better and definitely have better build quality. So if you wanna choose between these two, I recommend to go for JBL T160. As both the earphones priced almost similar, JBL T160 sounds little bit better and have better build quality with tangle-free cables. If you want to buy any of these earphones, I'll leave my affiliate links in the description. If you buy from that link, that will definitely help me to make more videos like this. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions about the product or have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Till then, take care. Goodbye.